Measure and cut a wood cross support, approximately 1 by 6 inches, to fit between the wall studs. Attach 4 corner brackets with screws to the wood cross support. Prepare and solder inlet copper pipe and fittings so no soldering is made within 6 inches of the valve body to avoid heat damage to internal components. Wrap Teflon pipe thread sealing tape onto the male threads of the inlet/outlet pipes and fittings. Check the arrows on both sides of the valve body for direction of flow. Screw the pipes and fittings into the valve body inlet and outlet, then tighten firmly with a wrench. Determine the valve position in the wall and mark the back wall vertically and the studs horizontally. Insert the wood cross support against back wall between the studs, check for level and mark the valve center line to align with the vertical lines on the back wall and horizontal lines on the studs. Remove wood cross support to mark the lines on it and insert it against the back wall between the studs. Align vertical/horizontal markings on the cross support with back wall and studs. Check for level and secure the wood cross support with corner brackets and screws to the studs. Check direction of flow and position the valve body with pipes and fittings attached against the wood cross support, align it with the vertical and horizontal center line markings and attach it to the wood cross support with copper tube strap clips and screws. Check the body and the all-thread nipples are level and straight, so they will be aligned and perpendicular to the finished wall. Additional cross support, brackets, clips/clamps or pipe straps may be used, if necessary, to secure the piping. Complete piping installation and make sure the outlet is capped, turn on the water supply and check for leaks, and attach the tube mudguards to protect the body and all thread prior to closing the wall.